Welcome guys, welcome to my Leetcode solving session 914. X of a kind in a deck of cards. Okay, so in a deck of cards, then each card has integer written on it. So return true if only if you can choose X greater or equal to 2, such that it's possible to split the entire deck into one or more groups of cards. Satisfy two properties where each card has exactly X card and all the cards in each group has the same integer. So for example, deck this, then it's true that you can separate 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4. So each group has exactly the same integer, and the cardinality for each group is 2. Okay, and this is false because 3, 3, and 1 is not okay. 1, 1 is okay. Okay, so 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2 is okay. Okay, so once you understand this question, you can see that the only possible way is that you can count how many cards, and if there's indeed that there's a exist sum S cards larger than 2, then the greatest common divisor must be larger than 2, right? Because otherwise the total number of cards should be the X should be the divisor. X, so the number or the total card, the number of cards should be divisible by X. Should be divisible by X as X is larger than 2, right? So first, we import from fractions, import GCD. So GCD means greatest common divisor. So it has two arguments. Suppose you put X and Y, then you can generate GCD X and Y. So the values, basically this is collection counter deck. So basically we just count how many deck, and so you will generate the dictionary. And when I get the values, I can get the values of the list. Then the final, I just use this reduced GCD value. So what is this reduced GCD? It means that the GCD will take all the two arguments, right? So reduce means that the GCD will take the first two arguments and use the result to take the third argument. So this means that GCD will try to act on all these numbers. So basically, just compute the consecutive GCD. Basically, this is just the total GCD. Okay, and if larger than 2, then it's true. Else is false. Okay, so that's it. And I will see you guys in the next video, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.